guys, Brian Corpse here, just doing another unboxing video. Got this dartboard for Christmas, still hadn't freaking opened it, which is surprising, but I got really nowhere to hang it up. Okay, there we go. Alright, let me find my knife, which I'm sure will probably stab me in a second. Crap. There it is. Yep, it was highly likely to stab me. Alright. Let's do this the improper way. There we go. Okay. Okay. Got it. Try not to stab my balls here. Okay. Yeah. There we go. That's the back side of it. There's the front. Brand new, nice and fresh. There's the darts. Yellow and red. Really sharp, so if I have to stab someone in a hurry, I have a go plan. Oh, just kidding. Anyway, this thing is freaking heavy though, contrary to belief. Oh, that was the heaviest thing in the box.
Oh, really? I thought it would be the darts.
Yeah, I would too. I mean, like, for real, these things are pretty heavy. Like, nah. Shit. Hold up. There we go. Now it's closed. Okay, well, anyway, that's the unboxing video. Not too exciting, but it's something. So, Brian Corpse out.